Hello everyone, welcome to our newest property tour. We are here at 4951 East Rockridge Road, the Rockridge Estate, with 5 beds, 6 baths, and 8,385 square feet.
This home is built by Avomos, designed by Avomos, and is currently on the market listed for just under $8 million. Come on, follow us in. So right as you walk in, you get a perfect view of the resort-style backyard with an oversized pool, a full outdoor kitchen, and many more amenities that we're going to cover once we get to the outside later in the video.
Guys, check out this gourmet kitchen. We got 2 double islands here, 11 foot long, and we got 5 ovens total in this kitchen, including a back kitchen that is perfect for staff or any kind of entertainment opportunities. The kitchen features a thermodor coffee maker, a 36-inch freezer. Luxurious appliances from Thermador are all paneled with this beautiful walnut paneling. With one touch, fridge opens. Followed by beverage center, 3 ovens in the main kitchen, a prep sink, 2 dishwashers, and a pass-through window which offers great catering opportunities for your friends and family. So right off the kitchen, we have a breakfast nook that can also serve as a dining space. A great feature here is a temperature-controlled wine room. And you have direct access to the backyard through those sliding doors over here.
Okay, so this beautiful kitchen connects right to the great room area. This is a big room, as you can see. We have a large sectional here, additional seating, and then one of the main features in this room is this custom marble fireplace with marble from floor to ceiling. One other thing is, as you walk towards the front door area, there's a secondary seating area, maybe a little bit more formal. And there's gorgeous views of the mountain in the front.
Welcome to the tequila bar. So check out this room. We got a custom tequila bar room here, which is an amazing opportunity to entertain your friends and something truly special that no other house in Arizona has.
Okay, this hallway leads us to all the bedrooms. On the right side over here, there's all the secondary bedrooms, which includes 3 bedrooms, ensuite bathrooms, and then this is the hallway leading us to the master bedroom. So on our way to the master bedroom, we actually stopped by this little office here. It could be another seating area, so it's a little bit of a flex space for the master suite, which is right behind these big double doors. The master bedroom itself is an oversized suite. It features a beautiful fireplace. Okay, so from the master suite, you can actually access your backyard. There's big sliding pocket doors that pocket all the way into the wall and open up right to the pool area. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful master bathroom here. So as we come into the bathroom, you can see his and hers vanities on this side. There's a separate makeup vanity with an extra mirror. And then on the other side, we can see how big this bathroom is. It features a hammock bathtub. It's basically a floating tub with a tub filler. And then right behind it, we have an oversized steam shower with multiple shower heads and an oversized rain head at the top. Okay, as we leave the master bathroom, we walk into the master closet, which is very large, and it's built out like a boutique, luxury boutique. It comes with a 10-foot island with a marble slab, additional countertop space on the other side. There's open cabinets, closed cabinets, hanging space, shoe racks. So the best part about the closet is actually the second half of it. Follow me this way. So this part of the closet is only for shoes and purses. And one of the other features that this closet has is as you come this way, it actually connects to the bedroom. So you can just come in here, take your shoes, your purse, and walk right out the door. You don't have to walk through the actual bathroom every time you do that.
So before we go upstairs, something that I want to highlight real quick is there are 2 entertainment areas alone in the front of the house. So you can see here there's a seating area outside, accessible through these sliding glass doors with great mountain views, fire pit, turf, and we got the same thing right off the entrance as well. Another entertainment space. Follow me upstairs. We're gonna go check out the bedroom, office, or just a great flex space that's gonna have some amazing views. Come on up. Rooftop deck, downtown views. You can see the beautiful backyard and Camelback Mountain right behind us. The backyard features over 3,000 square feet of turf alone. We got an oversized pool with a spa, a swim-up bar, a gazebo, pool bath, and much more. I want to show you how this looks. So we're here at the outdoor gazebo. And if you look over here, anything that you can imagine for cooking, entertaining, dining. We got a barbecue over here, rotisserie chicken. We got cooling drawers, ice maker, we got tap beer here, fridge freezer. We have an outdoor shower and the TV drops down from the ceiling. Look at these views. The main house features a 3-car garage with a 10-foot interior ceiling height, which means for car enthusiasts, you're gonna be able to stack cars and park more than 3. On top of that, we have an additional garage that I wanna show you now that has a 12 feet interior ceiling clearance. That means it's the perfect car collector's garage with additional living space, which could be either a man cave, a gym, or simply additional entertainment space. Depending on the selection of your vehicles, you can store over 9 cars between the 2 garages.
Thank you for watching a tour of the Rockridge Estate. This home is currently on the market for just under $8 million, so please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.
Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on your push notifications. Stay tuned for more. We'll see you guys in the next video.